Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cotton candy popcorn. It is an easy and fun treat, perfect for parties or a cozy movie night. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients and equipment. You will need popcorn kernels, some cooking oil, sugar, and your preferred cotton candy flavoring. Make sure you have a large pot with a lid or a dedicated popcorn maker ready. This simple guide will help you create a colorful and sweet snack that everyone will love. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get started by popping the popcorn. Heat 2 tablespoons of your chosen cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels and quickly cover the pot with a lid. Gently shake the pot every so often to prevent any burning and ensure all the kernels pop evenly. When the popping slows to about 1 pop every few seconds, remove the pot from the heat. This ensures a perfect, fluffy base for our sweet treat. With our popcorn ready, it is time to create the magical cotton candy glaze. In a separate saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar dissolves completely. Next, add 1 teaspoon of your cotton candy flavoring and a few drops of food coloring for that vibrant look. Bring the syrup to a boil and cook it until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the softball stage. This creates the perfect sticky sweetness. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. Carefully pour the warm cotton candy syrup over your freshly popped popcorn in a large bowl. Using a spatula or your hands, gently toss the popcorn to ensure every single kernel is evenly coated with that sweet, colorful glaze. Once coated, spread the popcorn onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper to cool completely. This prevents it from sticking together. Break apart any large clumps and your delicious, homemade cotton candy popcorn is ready to be enjoyed. It is truly a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.